Hi guys, welcome back. I was about to do some Neovim configuration based off some stuff I learned and actually more of like some refactoring. And I figured it would just be better to throw it on a video so I could come back to it, learn from it from another day, for another day, I guess I should say. So let's get right into it. So for me, I've been trying to make my Neovim configuration a lot more modular, like I've been saying before. So when it came down to it, I have everything that is user related under the user folder, and then I got the plugins folder. So officially now that I know, anything under the Lua folder is considered a Lua module. Um, Modules are just like the table. You could see, this is where like I try to start over explaining things and I lose my own understanding. All right, we're gonna go from based on what I know for sure. Everything under the Lua folder is a Lua module, and I can call those modules with a require function. So one of the things I've been working on is starting to get my key bindings together. So these are the current key bindings I have right now. All they do is allow me to move between splits and move lines. Like for example, like I could hold Alt and go up and down. So what I've been learning is apparently this is this is bad code. It's not dry. And so what they recommend doing in that case is actually pulling this code out and putting it in a separate utilities file. And what that would do is allow me to call this function anytime I need to make a key binding. And at first I was just like, well, dang, most of the time I'm actually just going to keep my key bindings in that file. But then I thought about, well, that's actually not true. Because, for example, I have key bindings in folders like this, files like this, where this is my plugin file. And for me, it just makes sense to keep all my plugins related to one thing together. So then I started realizing the importance of keeping my code dry and reusable. So now that I understand that, what we are going to do is we are going to go back to the user folder and we are going to create another file called utils.lua. This is one of my favorite plugins, by the way. It's called Oil. Once I learn a little bit more about it, I'm going to explain it more. But based on what I already know and already get from it, it's amazing. Okay, so apparently what I have to do is I have to define a table, and by default they always say just call it M. It's always M. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to define my function, and it's going to be called M dot, let me escape real quick, go back over here, and we're going to click Control C. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to take the rest of this, and actually we don't need that, just need this, and we're going to delete all that. We're going to come over here and we are going to P for put, and I figured that was going to happen. So then after that, what we do is we return M, save that file, go back over here. We're gonna delete one line, then we're gonna what is it? Oh, that's all right. We're gonna call another, oh snap. We're gonna call a local variable called map, and we're gonna set it equals to our require statement, and that require statement is, for me, it's gonna be user because it's in my user folder, and then we're gonna call .map because that's what I have it called over here. And now we're gonna quit all of these files. Oh, we got an error right here in the utils folder. Map. Let's see what I did wrong. I actually don't know what I did wrong yet. Ooh, but I'm about to end this video because the kids are here and it's about to get really loud. Peace, y'all. We'll figure it out in the next video.